Hi from Jay's Delectables. To make the most delicious chicken pot pie, heat around 60 grams or 1 stick of butter in a pan. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onions to it and give it a stir. When the onions turn a little pale, add 1 tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste and stir again. Add 650 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces to the pan and stir fry the chicken till it turns white. Now add salt according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix it into the chicken. Put some mixed chopped vegetables of your choice, 1 chopped potato and baby spinach leaves to the chicken and give it a nice long stir. Spinach adds a distinct flavor and enhances the taste of other vegetables. Now cover the pan with a lid for 5 minutes so the chicken becomes tender and the vegetables go soft. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and add half a cup of plain flour to the pan and mix it thoroughly with the chicken and the vegetables. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 large cup of double cream and a chicken stock cube along with mixed herbs to the chicken. Now give it a thorough stir for a minute or so before covering it with a lid for 5 more minutes on a low flame. After 5 to 6 minutes, turn off the stove and your creamy chicken filling is ready. Now for the pie making, take a block or sheet of puff pastry and roll it thin, roughly according to the size of your oven dish or mold. Flip your dish upside down, place it on the rolled out pastry sheet and cut the pastry sheet using a knife around the edges of the dish. Now lightly grease the oven dish before taking the cut out piece of the pastry and placing it at the base of your dish, aligning it properly. Make a few cuts at the base of the pastry using a knife. If your oven dish or mold is deep, you can use the scraps of the pastry sheet to cover the inside of the dish properly. When the oven dish is fully lined with the pastry, add the cooled off chicken filling to the pastry casing till it is filled properly to the edges. Roll another sheet or block of pastry a little over the size of your dish and place it carefully over your chicken filled pastry casing. Tuck the pastry overhang inside and under, doubling the edges. This will fortify the shape of the pie and helps in crimping the edges. Once the pastry cover is set, crimp the edge of the pie simply by pinching the dough with your fingers along the edges. Now cut a few slits on the pie around 2 inches long to let the steam out. When the pie crust is ready, give it a nice cold egg wash before putting it into the oven. Shower your pie with a little bit of love, crushed black pepper and a small sprinkling of parsley. Put the pie in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 175 degrees centigrade till the pie crust becomes crispy and achieve a nice golden brown color. Crispy and yummy! Enjoy the crispy goodness and creamy flavor of this delicious savory pot pie, a complete meal in itself with meat, vegetables and a pie crust. Share your thoughts if you enjoyed the video, comment and like and follow for more tasty recipes.